Let's have a moment of silence for those that ain't here right now. I know you probably up in heaven smiling down. You might be gone, but never forgotten.
This right here, tell me what goes out to everyone that has lost someone that they truly love. Come on, check it out. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
So when I die, I hope I live in the sky. All my folk who ain't survived made to live in the sky. Tell God I wanna fly, let me live in the sky. My cousin too ain't have to die right in front of his son and his wife. He lost his life struggling over a gun. Give a damn what he done, it's my motherfucking fault. And I love that nigga to death, no motherfucking joke. I can feel my eyes feeling the Lord is my witness. If I catch him, I'ma kill him, I made it my business. Back in the day, you stayed in my business. Taught me I ain't have to incorporate yay in my business. Coincidentally, that's why today you're not with me. My cousin died over some yay and I miss him. Plus he had his family house. Let's say she the eyewitness, but a boyfriend did the shooting. Judge gave a life sentence. I heard that, now I'm dressed up in all black. Shot up the whole apartment, he still ain't brought back. The best friend I had in Tramiel, I lost that. Guess your death was a lesson in life, it taught me that
life's ups and downs, they come and go.
But when I die, I hope I live in the sky. All my folks ain't alive, hope they live in the sky. Pray to God when I die that I live in the sky.